Page 11, the Drunken Soldier. You got a bunch of eighth notes here. So the counting, we put in an and in between. I do. There's other ways of counting, but that's what I do. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It's 4 time. So in the first measure, a quarter note gets a count. So that's 1. And then the next the eighth note, first one comes in on beat 2, but there's 2 of them, so it's 2 and. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. See, the numbers stay solid. It's the and you just stick in between so that it's like twice as fast. And that's the counting for eighth notes. It's no big deal, I hope. The right hand here is going to move around a little bit. You're starting out at the last measure, the first line here, so you're here. But then in the second line, in the third measure, then with the thumb on the B, so you got to come down 1. And for the last measure, you got to come up 1 here to the D, A. Put your hand in that position, you drop the hand. Melody's in the other hand, so play these softly. And that's about it there. Now we have repeat signs at the end, so we're going to play this twice. And they're also showing pedal at the last measure. I disagree. I'm going to leave pedal out. We don't need pedal here. Sometimes I think these books just put these pedal markings in just to give you an excuse to use the pedal, because you're probably biting at the teeth just wanting to use the pedal. Well, hold off on the pedal, please. We got enough to think about right now without that. So no pedal. So it says aggressively. Well, it's a drinking song, so yeah, how aggressively do you think? There's words to it, they didn't put them in, that's fine. It says it's loud. Yeah, it's a drinking song, what do you expect? So it's a... Etc. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's aggressively enough for me. But we're going to go slow, unaggressively, just to check the notes and the rhythms. And we are going to play this twice because it's repeated. So go ahead and put your hands where they go. The left hand starts here. Right hand, when it comes in, starts here. And that's where we are. I'll give us 4 counts and we'll play it. 1, 2, ready and go. And 1 and 2